sized heatsink that does run far cooler with the 40mm Noctua fan. Since I posted the video, I've had many requests for further tests, and in particular to test out my Noctua fan with no heatsinks. And so, I've taken my custom rig apart, removed the heatsinks, and if we put it back together, we can try just that. So, if we boot this thing up and leave it to idle for a few minutes, we can go to the Raspbian desktop to run our test script. And just to remind you, this is a bash script which basically has a little loop in it. It takes a temperature measurement and then stresses out the pi using sysbench to factor prime numbers up to a value of 25,000. Keeps going through that loop, taking a measurement, stressing out the pi a bit more, and takes a final temperature measurement. And this has been set up so if the pi doesn't throttle, it should run for about 10 minutes. So, let's get rid of that and bring up a terminal so we can start off the test, and here we go. Pi seems to be idling to about 40 degrees C, that's pretty very good indeed. And I should let you know the ambient here today is about 25 degrees C, which by pure chance is what it was when I ran the tests in the previous video. And I should also let you know that on this Pi, I've implemented the USB controller firmware update to reduce its power consumption and therefore to reduce temperatures a little. This was done before any of the tests we run in the last video, and obviously the test in this video. I know some people have had problems with that firmware update. I haven't, but I just thought I'd let you know it's been applied here. So, let's now speed through to the end of the test. And there we are, it's finished, and some very interesting results. So let's add those results to our previous table, and as you can see, we actually started off slightly cooler than when we had the heatsinks fitted, and we ended up about 3 degrees higher in terms of how it stabilised, which suggests there was not a lot of point in messing around with all those heatsinks. It clearly is the air, the active cooling, which is keeping the Pi nice and cool using the Noctua fan. Very interesting results there. And I think this makes it really interesting to now move forward and look at some other active cooling solutions. Right, let's now take a look at this, which is the fan shim from Pi Moroni, which has already got a very good reputation as a Pi port cooler, so I'm very pleased I've set one to have a look at. So let's take a look inside. Looks like a very, very simple unboxing. There we are, what's inside here, presumably all different pieces. There we are, what have we got? This clearly looks like the fan itself. I can recognise the fan as a crinkly little bag. There we are, there's the fan, 30mm fan I think. And this in here, very crinkly bag. This looks like a little circuit board. There we are, there's the circuit board for the fan, and over here there's some mounting hardware. So I think I just need to put this thing together. And